Filament track switch introduction. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. To begin, use an H2.0 Allen key to remove the 2 screws from the printer's rear panel. Next, cut 2 PTFE tubes to approximately 115 millimeters. Insert one end of each tube into the filament buffer. Thread the other ends through the pneumatic connector locking tab, paying close attention to their orientation. Insert the tubes into the filament outlet and slide the locking tabs forward until they fit tightly. Now, align the screw holes on the filament track switch with those on the holder. Use the 2 silver screws from the package. Do not fully tighten them yet. Leave some movement between the switch and the holder for alignment. Align the holder with the rear panel screw holes and secure it using the 2 black screws provided. Now that the holder is aligned to the printer, proceed to fully tighten the silver screws between the filament track switch and the holder. To connect your first AMS, align the groove on the mounting holder with the bottom of the unit and insert it. Take a 700mm PTFE tube, straighten it, and insert it into the tube guide holder and the AMS inlet. Slide the guide holder to the bottom and snap it into place. Adjust the angle to avoid sharp bends to ensure smooth feeding. Install the second AMS holder in the same way. Here, we're using the 400mm tube. Thread it through the tube guide holder and then insert it into the AMS inlet. Slide the tube guide holder down and snap it into place. Thread the PTFE tubes from both AMS units through the locking tab. Insert them into the filament inlets and slide the tabs forward to lock. Finally, let's handle the electronics. Use a 6-pin cable to connect the first AMS to the filament buffer. Use a second cable to connect that same AMS to the filament track switch. Then, use a third cable to connect the track switch to the second AMS. Your multi-unit setup is now complete.